is not just a feeling, it is the reason I remain. You are the reason I believe in us. I don't want just one moment with you. I want every sunrise and every sunset with you by my side. I don't want just one moment with you. I want every sunrise and every sunset, every sunrise and every sunset with you by my side. No matter where life takes us, my heart will always choose you. I will hold you and love you, not only in happy moments, but also in difficult times. I will stand with you, protect you, respect you, and cherish you always. Sometimes I wonder what I ever did in life to deserve someone as precious as you. You came into my world so quietly, and before I even knew, you became my everything. When I hear your voice, my heart feels calm. When you smile, my worries disappear. When you hold my hand, I feel like I can face anything in this world. Darling, my love for you is not just a feeling, it is the reason I remain. You are the reason I believe in us. I don't want just one moment with you. I want every sunrise and every sunset and every sunset with you by my side. I want every sunrise and every sunset and every sunset with you by my side. Oh, with you by my side. By my side. I want every sunrise and every sunset with you by my side.